Hello guys, my name is Jay and today I'm gonna bring you a quick comparison video between the stabilization of the GoPro Hero 7 Black and the Canon M50. The GoPro has a little wider angle, but for this video I'm gonna put a little bit of zoom so that the two of them are a little bit closer together. Am I on focus? The day is kind of cloudy, but I think we can work with it. The sound you're getting now is from a video mic me on the Canon M50, and the sound now is from the GoPro Hero 7 Black. The sound is not too bad, but it's not that great on the GoPro. The thing is, the GoPro is waterproof. The forecast for this week is a lot of rain, so I have today to film because the Canon M50 is not waterproof. This is now the sound of the onboard microphone of the Canon M50. Putting the video mic me. Now the sound probably is much better. At least I hope so.